Hi folks, welcome back. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I'm going to explain you about the SMT divergence. If you watch this video till the end, any strategy you are using, either you are using the Powerfull CRT model, the Powerfull ICT concept, whatever the concept you are using, if you watch this video till end, your strategy win rate will be increased 20% more because you will get to understand the smart money trap. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, not skip the any part of this video, so you didn't miss out the any source, any secret powerful source on this video. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, what is the SMT? SMT means smart money trap, smart money technique, whatever this many name. So what you have to understand that I will explain you here in a theoretical way first and then practical. So to find the SMT, okay, you should have two correlation pairs. What does it mean by that? If you are working on futures, so ES means the Nasdaq and S&P 500 have correlated pairs, means their directions are same. So we have to find out the SMT between them. What does it mean by that? So for example, this red one chart is ES chart or any correlation pair. Okay, same chart, what does happen here basically? Higher high, this is Nasdaq, this chart, and this is your S&P 500. So here Nasdaq failed to make higher high, but same correlation pair make higher high. Here S&P make higher high, Nasdaq did not make higher high, failed to make higher high. So it's showing the weakness of that pair. So it is called the SMT divergence. One pair is failed to make higher high, one pair did it. So what is that he did? He took the liquidity, but here he didn't. So correlation pair is look like that. So we have to find that one to increase our win rates, increase our strategy win rate and probabilities. So how it's look like? So I will explain you theory, like with gold, with the US 100 and with the forex also. So you will understand what is it mean by. So in gold, what is the correlation pair for the gold is the silver. Okay, so I explain you here very basically, neat and clean. Here we have a 15-minute time frame. Okay, you can find these any time frame, 1 minute, 1 hour, 5 minute, 15 minute. When your entry time is that, you will find that thing on that time frame. Okay, so what we have here, if we go to 5 minute, you will see. Okay, what does this candle do? Break the low. What make it here? A fair value gap. Okay, a classic ICT pattern where you will looking for sell, right? Sell to here, but what happened? Price went to the upside. How we clarify that we should sell here or not? by using correlation pair silver. So silver what did? Same candle but did not close below it, either it sweep that one. So what it's showing us, sorry, SMT, that one pair is failed to make a lower low and one pair make higher high. Same candle. Anywhere you will find this same thing over and over again. Here, this is 5 February. This is 5 February. What happened here? What's happened here? Why is there? It's showing weakness. Did not make higher, right? It's showing weakness on the pair that it will go to the downside, right? Gold make higher high here, but silver did not. And after that you see price went down. If you start from anywhere, you will find the same thing over and over again. 4 February, we'll see what happened in 4 February. This 4 February, right? London, gold what did? And we see 4 February, London what did? There, London took the liquidity. Here, London did not, if you see. Right? London open, he took the liquidity. That is SMT divergence. Smart money trap, smart money technique, whatever you saw is called. Okay. So for gold is silver. If you want to trade in gold, so for the pair is like that. So now we come to GBP USD. Okay, watch these everything with all alignment, like your CRT model, for example, you are using. You then start with the your session low high and in the key time area, most important factor. Okay, you will see also these things happen on the key time area, so your price will be changed there. So we have here a London and New York. Start from here, right? This is the London low, right? Did it take it? Because if you see, we have a beautiful fair value gap for sale, CB, right? If we go to the Euro USD, you will see a weakness. That London took the low of that pair and price went to the upside. Did you understand what I am telling? If you see here on 5th Euro USD, what did? A clean sweep, right? But what GBP USD do? Nothing. What is that? That is called a smart money trap, SMT. You will find in these everywhere. Does you think that it will increase your win rate? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go with US 100 and US 500. Okay, if you see here, we have this order block, right? Okay, key time. Okay, low here, swing points everywhere. Okay, it did not come to that order block, right? But if you go to the US 500, the same thing happened here. SMT here and SMT here. One asset class make lower low, one asset class make higher high, like this. This will increase your win rate. You will understand where the price want to go. See, here also US 100 fail, US 500 did. Like here. Understand? You will find this over and over again in all asset class, bro. You have to just identify the things with that. Like this was the, I'm sure this is some sort of news candle. You will also find here an SMT. What day was there? 3 February. We will, oh sorry, we come to US 30, sorry. This is the London 3 February. Okay, so what we have in 3 February? Here, same thing. Close. See here. You will find this thing over and over again. Just you have to watch carefully. Make sure you watch this on a kill zone hour. This is the PM session. Okay. We have this liquidity. Standard. London. It will increase your win rate. Do you understand? For US 100 is use US 100, US S&P 500. Okay. For gold it's silver. For GBP USD, Euro USD, and also DXY, the dollar index also. You will also find here some sort of invergence. Okay, like here dollar is make if higher high, Euro USD will make lower low. A same thing it's doing. So always use these correlation pairs to understand. So if dollar go down, Euro USD and gold I think go upside, like that. It's happened. If you study on it, you will understand. So I think you understand the SMT, the smart money technique, what is that, and how you can use these things with your asset class. Okay. So I hope you learned something from this video, and make sure you join these instant funded account where you don't have to pay. You don't have to pass the evaluation phase, and you can start directly from once you pay it. You will get the link in the description. Okay, 95% profit split up to, and it's very cheap, $210, 50,000 account. Okay, until next time, be safe.